Hello everybody, it's Vanessa with Clemens Crafts, and I wanted to show you guys some of the goodies that I've gotten over the last few days. Okay, that's a lie, more like weeks, but anyway, I have it all here in a little collection, and I wanted to let everyone know that hopefully soon I will be listing some vintage lace in my shop to bring for your junk journals and tags and journal covers. And I also, here in a minute, I'm going to switch camera views. I wanted to show off my Happy Mail from Andrea, who, by the way, congratulations, just reached 1,000 subscribers. I am going to have her channel in the description below. Holy cow, you guys want to see some really amazing journal work? Subscribe to her channel. She gives really great clear instructions, and her journals are beautiful. Plus she loves Stevie Nicks, so you know you gotta love Andrea. This is one of Andrea's antique paper packs that she sent me, which I was so excited about. And then I'm going to change the camera angle and go over everything down here that she sent me, including these adorable little postcards. They're hilarious too. I love them so much. But yeah, that's a spool of lace, spool of lace, spool of lace. Under this thing is a big spool of lace, and these are lace, and I love these. These reminded me of Sheila with Boho Daydreams, how she does a lot of amazing work with lace. And of course Carla with Pinky Sugar Artsy, another couple of great channels. I'm going to link them all below. If you guys have not subscribed and you want to see lace in action, those are your girls. And also, you know, Mare is amazing with lace. I'm going to get her channel and link it below. But let me switch angles and go over my Happy Mail from Andrea. Okay, I'm back. I had to change the angle of my camera, and pardon the black background. This is a little table that I brought up from downstairs when I am coffee dyeing and avocado dyeing my papers. I can spread them out on this table and then take them outside in the sun, and helps them dry. I wanted to go over this amazing Happy Mail package that I got from Sweet Andrea. She has a lot of paper ephemera available, and I will put her link to her YouTube channel below and let you guys see. I mean, the stuff this woman creates is so beautiful. And when I opened this, I just kept pulling and kept pulling. And I mean, look, there are stock certificates. And I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried to like bid on these in auctions. They can be very competitive. And so I honestly kind of gave up trying to get these because it seemed like the ones that I really wanted, you know, would go really high. And I was like, well, I'm not really, you know, wanting to do that. So, but look at these. These are so pretty, and they're in great shape. I mean, look at that at the tops of these. And look, this reminds me, Pan Am, of my friend Marianne. She's a big fan of Pan Am. So when she sees this, she's gonna have a cow. She loves their stuff. And look at that. All of this is just, it's beautiful. And so I got this stack here. And then, I'm sorry about the clacking in the background. Those are my baby pups running around. And then look, ledger sheets. I got ledger sheets. These are from the 1800s. And aren't they fantastic? The ink, and then just the gorgeous handwriting that they had back then. I mean, I still write in cursive. My daughter, who is a senior, they actually quit teaching cursive in school. And so I had to teach her how to write in cursive myself, because I told her I cannot imagine going through life without learning that beautiful way of writing. And look at these checks. Yeah, look at these, look at these. It's so cool. I was like, look how pretty they are. I mean, you know you're a fan of ephemera when you can look at an old beat up check and go, oh, that's so pretty. But it really is 1898. Check that out. 1898, 1896. I mean, can you believe it? 1927. I mean, well, anyway, you guys know I get excited over stuff like this. And when I got these, I mean, I just kept flipping and flipping, and I was, Andrea, she ruined me, you guys. She spoiled me. But now, by George, I know exactly where I'll be getting my checks and my stock certificates from forevermore. And look at this little vintage photo she sent me. It's so cute. Look at the little buddies in the front. They're so cute. And then got some airmail. Look at this, 1966, 1966. And these are in, and see, Andrea's in the West Coast, so she gets to see Los Angeles, California. Look at that. Stuff that I cannot get here. And then I wanted to show you this. She had this for the craft retreat that they went on. And it's 20 beautiful antique book pages for $15. There's Dutch Bible, German, French, antique French. Look at this, and how cute. And she's put a little book page over the top of this as the pack. Is it that creative? I mean, even the way she packages this. And then I opened this one. She had 11 book pages from the history of art. And I'll show you those pages that were in that little pack. Oh, I have a pin laying there. Right here. So these large, look at that. Look at that little boy. Look, my dogs are so excited because I'm talking and they just don't know why. Oh, hold on. My big dog wants to go outside. And look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't that amazing? And she put all this in a pack and offers them for $5. Hold on, let me let my pup out. Okay, I'm back. And here's some more pages that she put in there. There's some music page. And this, oh, Andrea, thank you for this right here. This is a prescription log. Look, 1869. Have you ever? And so it has like the last name. It has like the amount of medication, the quantity. I mean, it's amazing. And then of course the price over here. Can you imagine 60 cents for prescription? Ha! Doesn't happen anymore, does it? No, no, no. And then she sent me some French. These are legal documents. You can tell the seal here. I love these. Look at that handwriting. It's amazing. I will probably hoard these. I've got a thing for French ephemera. I think we all do, really, don't we? And then this is sheet music. And it is so cool. Eric Clapton, Jim Gordon. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this was Elton John toward the front. And I just, oh, look at this. So cool. Very cool sheet music. And then look at this huge ledger. Look at this. It's like huge. And this is from 1898. And it's talking about flour and things like this. Soda, elastic, 55 cents. I mean, isn't that cool to see? Look at this. It's full of writing. And the beautiful, beautiful handwriting at the top. Oh my word. I love it. Now, a couple of things I wanted to ask my viewers. And I imagine I'm going to try to tag Mare in this somehow because I know she is like very, very handy with lace, and so is Carla. So this was in the package, and it's very soft. It looks like a lot of detailed beadwork. Hangs on a little hook like this. And I don't know what it is. What is this, you guys? Little bells. Is it like a door decoration or something? I don't know. But I wanted to ask if you guys have any idea what that is. And then also, I wanted to know what this is because I wonder if it'll let me zoom in. Okay, whoa, it did. My goodness, let me adjust this. So this feels like knit a little bit. It's a little bit more coarse fabric. And these little, I guess these might be berries of some kind. This was so cute. And I thought, is there a word for this? Like, I would love to learn what this is. And the reason I put these together is because they feel like they're made of the same material. And then this earlier, I think in my video, I had said something, but apparently they call this knitting lace. Yeah, knit lace. And it also feels a little coarse, like a sweater would feel. So I just thought that was really, really fascinating. I mean, look how gorgeous, how beautiful that is. I cannot imagine knowing how to make these things. And this, I wanted to show you real quick, was the little jar of goodies, the little threads. And I got it because I wanted those wood spools, and I love wood spools, so that's that. And then let me back out just a hair here. And these are the buttons, the little buttons that came in another jar. And then this is a closer look at the inside of that jar. I said had the unfinished tatting lace pieces. See, she still has this thread wrapped around some of the pieces. It's just full of, look at this. Isn't it crazy? And look, this one, she still has thread wrapped. And oh man, I mean, look at this. This was really creative. Oh, look at that. I would have, it's so cool. I was like, I love what she did with this. You know, it's like that rickrack. And then she's just, you know what, we're going to make this really pretty. Let me just hand do some lace here. And I can't imagine knowing how to do that. Look at that. The color on it. I am so sorry about my little dog, you guys. So it's a pointer, and she likes to go in, and then you let her in, and then she wants to go out. So then you let her out, and then she wants to come back in. Oh, look, I didn't know this was in here. Look. Huh, look at that. Well, okay, so now we have two of these things that I don't know what they are. I love them. Aren't they gorgeous? And then this purple, isn't this cool? I love it so much. Hold on, I'm gonna let my dog in. I mean, why not, you know? Come on in. Now, you guys, look, before I finish this video, she's gonna wanna go back out. Anyway, this is my life. I'm not hiding it, you know what I mean? It is what it is. This is how I live every day. It's like a daycare. And then look, this is unfinished. I mean, this jar is just full of, and this green, how unique is that? Look at this. So cute. And thank you so much, Patty, from Sacred Mementos. She answers a ton of my questions. I feel like I'm always asking her, you know, and look at this. Isn't it cool? And thanks, you guys, for tuning in and watching. It's kind of long, but I just wanted to share those things and ask these couple of questions. Okay, I'm gonna have to like plug this in at the end somehow after I already said bye, sorry. But I turned around and I forgot about this. So this is something that I just received yesterday, and I wanted to show you the covers. Look at this embossing on these covers. But I wanted to show you this beautiful, beautiful paper. And it feels so smooth. And it's all Hebrew. And this as well, honestly, if there was a way, you know, to fix these covers. I'll have to do some research because, man, I really love these covers. Look at that. It's handwritten. It is handwritten. And it says printed in Germany. Isn't it gorgeous? When I get little treasures like this, I feel like I want to show the world because I know that a lot of people that watch my channel would appreciate it. And look at this. I have no idea what it is, but it's beautiful. Look, and it clearly was very important to the owner. I feel like if it weren't, they would have thrown it away. Not real sure what I'm going to do with that, but Lord, I will figure it out. Anyway, okay, now really I am stopping. Okay, bye.